guys, so I don't exactly what? I don't exactly know what I'm filming right now. All I know is that I'm gonna do my makeup because it is 1 in the morning and I'm really bored and I haven't really been posting on my YouTube channel, so I was thinking of like, just make a makeup tutorial then. And this makeup tutorial is like gonna be a makeup tutorial that's heavy makeup but not too heavy to the point where it's just super cakey. Hi guys, so I'm editing this video right now. I am literally so annoyed at myself, you have no idea. Anyways, I'm so sorry if this video is trash. I really hate it, but I just wanted to put out something on my YouTube channel. So enjoy. Bye! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So this is what Tyke Nails sent me, or Teak Nails. I believe these are hand painted because they are very good quality and I'm pretty sure they last long. So I think you guys should really go check them out if you want really good press on nails. And just so I don't forget, I would like to thank iWhite Korea. They have sent me this aqua moisturizer that I used in the beginning of this video. I believe this is their new product. It's called the Pure Renewal Serum. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put more list of ingredients for the iWhite Korea products. You guys should really go check them out. Thank you iWhite Korea for sending me these. Also, follow me on my social media accounts. I'll link them all down below. Like and comment. Usually the comment like always disables and like my comments go away after I post the video. I'm gonna try to fix that. It's really annoying that I don't get to comment back to you guys. Okay guys, so I forgot to film an outro. Typical me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I surely didn't enjoy editing it. It was too long. Anyways, go follow my social media and yeah, bye.